In this video, I want to go over some of your guys' designs regarding some of the niches that I have been giving out for the past week. Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm a full-time print-on-demand seller. I make YouTube videos showing you how to make more money on merch by Amazon and Etsy. If you like this kind of content and you get any value out of this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, click the bell, and like the video. Now before we go over those designs, just want to do a quick sales update. So yesterday was actually a good day, really good day. 66 sales, $74 in royalties. Today, not so good. I mean, lots of sales, 29 sales, but 8 returns. That's why I'm only at $21 in royalties. But that's going to put me at 976 sales for the month and $1,268 in royalties. If you want to follow me on Instagram, where I post my daily sales for both merch by Amazon and Etsy, the link is in the description. I also post like gym pics, entrepreneur pics, lifestyle pics, just my life down here in Mexico. I'm born and raised in Mill Valley, California, but I've been living in Puerto Vallarta, Mexico for the past 18 years. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the content of the video. So if you guys have been following the channel for the past week, I've been putting out a lot of trending niches, designs, evergreen designs. And one of the things I love to do after I post a video, after a couple of days, is I just like to go back to Merch Informer, type in the niche, and just see what you guys have been designing. I'm just kind of curious. And I put a video out the other day about Opus, which is a meteor, or yes, an asteroid that is revolving around the Earth. And if we go ahead and we take a look at that niche, when I made the video, there was less than 25 results. Now it's up to 586. And here are some of the designs that I thought were the most creative, the best, ones that were kind of thinking like outside of the box. If one of your designs gets shown, make sure to comment. But like this one right here, just had me cracking up right when I saw it. This was like one of the first ones I saw. I came from Uranus, Apophis. So cross-niching Apophis with Uranus. Uranus is actually a very popular niche, or at least it used to be, because it is a planet that I guess doesn't exist anymore. I think it was the 9th one or the farthest one away, or maybe no, that was Pluto. This is the 8th one, but still cool design. Just made me laugh because it's cross niche and just funny. Funny designs always tend to sell very well on Merch by Amazon. Here's another one that I thought was also very creative. Let me just move my face, ugly face, out the way here. So yeah, so I really like this one because it was cross niching Bigfoot with Apophis, and usually anytime you cross a niche with Bigfoot, it tends to sell well. Bigfoot is like up there with video games, one of the best, all-time best niches on Merch by Amazon, but they're also using or cross niching it with the state of Colorado. And I saw this person, they cross niched it with almost every state, almost even cities. So really good job. Triple cross niche, Apophis, Bigfoot, and the state, Colorado. So just really good design right there. This one I thought was also brilliant because it is thinking way outside of the box, and it's cross-niching Apophis with one of the biggest niches of this year, which is going to be the election. So I thought this was really clever right here. So good job. Pat on the back, whoever made this design. Let's see some other ones. So I thought this was cool too, with the alien, and just the way that the AP is on the top here and the PHIS is on the bottom. Just thought it was really good design. I like the font, the distress, the alien, the comet, looks really good. And then there were a couple other ones that were kind of similar like this. This one looks like it's kind of like AI, but I just thought this was a really cool design. Look how cool that is right there. Oh, I think I got a sale. So yeah, so really cool design right there. Looks like they're using AI, and I like all these little comets in the background. Really gives it that nice looking of strength and fierceness, if that's even a word. And then the next one that I thought was good, if it would just load. Yeah, so this one where the astronaut is kind of riding the asteroid. Maybe there could be some more rocks in the background, but for the most part I thought that was pretty good. This looks like AI as well. And then this last one, come at me bro. Anytime, this one also made me laugh a lot too, because anytime you have designs where you're doing like a play on words, they tend to sell very well. It's like a play on words and it's funny. So really good. Come at me bro is just a common saying, and it works well with the asteroid, like come at me. So this was also one that I thought was really good. So good job to all of you guys on your designs. This was actually mine right here, somewhere at the bottom. I just kind of rushed and made one real quick for the video because I didn't want to spend all day designing. This was mine right here, but I think you guys did a hell of a lot better than me. So good job to all your guys' designs. Keep up the great work. And then another video that I made earlier this week was about the muster drill. Muster drill is basically a security procedure that every passenger has to do when they board a cruise. And if you've been following this channel, you know that the cruise niche, or that I love the cruise niche. I've been doing very well in it. I didn't even know about it until early last year, but I don't remember. Still pretty low in competition. But here are some of the designs that I thought did a good job. So right here, this one right here, I just thought it was pretty clever how they had like the water kind of like high there and then kind of low like this. I just thought that was really good designing. This looks like it's from, I think I'm actually might be using the same type of clip art in one of my designs in the cruise niche. It looks like it's from Creative Fabrica, but good job. The color scheme, the blue and the white, looks really good. And then I also thought this one was clever as well, which is Cruise Crew. Most like to muster drill at the spa. So the majority of the designs for this niche were muster drill, can't we do it at the bar, or meet me at the bar, basically cross-niching bar with cruise. But this person thought outside of the box. Instead of just copying and doing what everybody else was thinking, they decided to use spa instead. So I thought that was clever. So good job to both of the people that made these designs. And the reason why I'm pretty sure my followers, oh, another cancellation, oh, no big deal. And the reason why I think people that are watching my channel made these is because if you just go to Merch Informer right here and you type in the niche like muster drill and you come to Amazon and you just filter by newest, you know, there's a pretty good chance, since they're all just like recently, you know, they're just made like a couple days ago when the video came out. But those are the two designs I thought did a good job for that niche. And then I also made a video about the Trump news that came out. So it was Sneakerhead. So if you remember earlier this week, Trump came out with, there's news about Trump. Yeah, there was a story that came out about Trump. Sorry, I got kind of confused there because my recording thing is acting all funny. But basically, I made a video earlier this week about Trump with the sneakers that he put out. And so I made this video about sneakerheads. That's what I was trying to say. And so here are some of the designs that I thought did a good job. So this one right here, Sneakerhead. I like this one because of the colors that they did in the shoe right here. This looks very clean, like it was done with AI. So really like this shoe design right here. Also, I think the font looks good. It's also very nice and equal matched up. So good job on this design right here. This one just made me laugh when I saw this, the ultimate sneakerhead with Trump looking all sad and gangster. So that was just funny, a funny one. And then I saw this one. This one I really like because it was very creative. Sneakerhead, an individual who considers the release date of sneakers as national holidays. You know, that's funny. A person who thinks happiness is found in a shoebox. So really creative. I also like to see also Sneakaholic and Kicks Collector. So good job to the people who made these sneaker designs. And then I also made a video about the trending items that was in the news earlier this week about IVF and embryos. And here's some of the designs that I thought were good. So this one right here, Wake, Pray, Transfer Day, but it's got this cool pineapple. Looks like this is AI. And what I've noticed is that a lot of people are using AI, which I thought was pretty cool. Me personally, I don't really use AI for my designs, but this is very good. So good job. I like especially the stroke on the outside. So good job. Maybe could have matched the size of the stroke, same with the text, but still for the most part, really good job on this design. And this one right here, I also thought was good. I've got positive vibes. I didn't see that phrase, but I like how you're doing the play on words. Instead of IVE, it's IVF, and you got the little sperms, which is kind of funny. It's the curvy kind of font, so really nice design, good color scheme as well. And then I also thought this one is good because it is cross-niching husband with the IVF hero. It's also a play on words with IVF, and you're also using the pineapple. So I thought those three designs were good. So I just wanted to make a video, something kind of different, because I'm always doing the trending niches. I thought I would switch it up and just kind of go over your guys' designs. If your design was featured, comment below, let me know. That's going to be it for today's video. Tomorrow's video, I'm going to do, it's going to be a vlog of my son's birthday. That was on Thursday. We took him out to dinner, kind of spoiled him a little bit. So if you're interested, check that out. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, thanks so much for watching, and adios.